I've experienced a lot of lower back pain.
Tennis elbow.
An ankle injury.
I was having severe pain in the bottom of my foot.
It hurt every time I move it.
I was suffering from prolonged periods of pain.
Nothing could be done but surgery.
My condition was, I'd like to think, at rock bottom when I first came here. Then when I started the therapy, it almost immediately felt different.
I was very fortunate enough to land a scholarship, play quarterback at the University of Florida for the past 5 years, and playing big-time collegiate ball, you're going to get nicked up. The deep tissue laser therapy helped me get on the field quicker and, to help my team out.
I was kind of getting to the point where I was feeling desperate. I thought this is never going to go away.
Of course, I tried many different types of anti-inflammatories and some prescription drugs to help relieve the pain.
I hated taking pills. It destroys my system. So I just wanted something with a natural solution.
I work in the operating room in orthopedics on the device side. The physician that is on my team talked about a peer of his that is a trainer for a professional team using deep tissue laser therapy on those athletes with tremendous success.
Light Force Deep Tissue Therapy lasers by LightCure Medical use deep penetrating light energy that relieves aches, pains, and stiffness by increasing microcirculation and reducing inflammation. Deep tissue laser therapy helps your body use its own natural healing powers by activating and stimulating a positive cellular response. Deep tissue laser therapy is a drug-free, surgery-free alternative for pain relief.
After the treatments with deep tissue laser therapy, I became a believer.
Deep tissue laser therapy is what really got me back into action.
Laser therapy is clinically proven to successfully treat pain and inflammation associated with lower back pain, arthritis, tendinitis, plantar fasciitis, bursitis, post-surgical rehabilitation, and general musculoskeletal sprains, strains, and fractures. Light Force Deep Tissue Therapy lasers are FDA cleared, and laser therapy is endorsed by professional clinical organizations such as the American Physical Therapy Association, the World Health Organization, and the International Association for the Study of Pain.
The deep tissue laser therapy is quick and easy. I literally walk in the door of the office, sit down. They hand me the glasses, and and there's the start of the treatment.
The technician takes the laser and points it on the area, and takes about 10 minutes.
The laser therapy didn't hurt at all. It was so non-invasive in a sense. It felt like a warm, relaxing glow that just penetrated deep within the tissue.
And it was painless. You just laid there and relaxed, and it seemed to really do the trick for me.
You come in here for, treatments maybe 10 minutes tops, so it's not a real big chunk out of your day, and it's kind of relaxing also, I'm not gonna lie.
It is a miracle. It's amazing. It was soothing, it felt good, it did not hurt, I was not uncomfortable.
I could easily tie my shoes, but before I was really struggling to bend over to just tie my shoes.
I was able to get out, run and jog much quicker than I was supposed to be.
2 weeks of treatment, I felt like it had completely done what it needed to do, and I was ready to get back to my former activities.
Through the treatment, I felt that I can go out at least 1 to 2 times a week and not have the rest of the week be, quite honestly, miserable.
I feel great that I've found this deep tissue laser therapy in my life, because now I can have some hope as to healing, getting back out there, doing my training 100%.
Fast,
Drug-free,
relaxing,
Comfortable,
Pain-free,
Relieved,
Therapeutic.
Soothing.
the relief I received afterwards made me look forward to going to play golf or go exercise again.
What deep tissue laser therapy means to me is, taking that next step to being able to, get on the field quicker. I definitely would recommend the deep tissue laser therapy.
If you don't want to have a long healing process, then I definitely recommend Light Force laser therapy.
Deep tissue laser therapy has helped me get back in action, and I'm enjoying life again.
deep tissue laser therapy is awesome and is a knockout.
After the deep tissue laser therapy, I'm back in full swing doing everything that I was not able to do prior to the laser therapy.
The deep tissue laser therapy definitely worked for me.
Ask your doctor or practitioner if deep tissue laser therapy is right for you. Lose your pain and get back in action.
works on a lot of people. It helps a lot of people feel good.
I was pretty amazed that it worked so quickly.
Even after just a couple treatments, they're able to do more. Back to practice, back to play.
I would absolutely recommend it only because it works.
Now you can offer your patients a drug-free, surgical-free option that can eliminate or significantly reduce inflammation without side effects. LightCure's deep tissue laser therapy, the LCT 1000, is the most technologically advanced laser diodes currently available. The LCT 1000 works by flooding the tissues with photons, energizing the damaged cells, and increasing the circulation to the painful area. Treatments take just a few minutes, but the therapeutic effect continues to soothe and heal long after the patient leaves the office.
It takes 10 to 12 minutes maximum for a treatment, and they're feeling immediate relief.
We knew if we could make the right parameters, the right amount of light, the right wavelength to get into deep tissue, then doctors can use that to solve conditions that they see every day.
The LightCure laser just helps with everyday soreness, helps with serious injuries.
Works great on the shoulder for those types of problems. I've had great results. We use it at the elbow for tennis elbow, but also lateral epicondylitis where the tendon is eroding away or degenerating. So we're trying to increase blood flow, increase cellular activity.
The LCT 1000 provides deeper penetration that increases the number of treatment options and reduces treatment times. Patients feel a deep, soothing warmth that reassures the patient that the laser is stimulating cellular activity. The LCT 1000 is able to achieve such success because of deep tissue penetration due to a dual wavelength beam and larger power doses, up to 1,500 times more energy. In addition, its power density delivers a larger number of photons per treatment area for more consistent treatment outcomes.
And when I pour that light energy into a hip or to a low back or even carpal tunnel, we know we're going into the depths or actually reaching the tissues that are involved.
Even in one treatment, sometimes we've had patients who've had problems for months with discomfort walk out and say, I can already tell the difference.
When I used the brake and the gas pedal, I could feel the pain up my leg, But now when I drive, I don't have any pain.
When my carpal tunnel syndrome people come in and tell me they slept all night for the first time in a long time, that's pretty amazing.
At LightCure, we have an experienced team of research and development engineers with over 10 years of state-of-the-art laser development and manufacturing expertise. That's why we're able to provide the very best in technology and design with proven results.
I think every therapist at our facility has used the laser in some form or fashion, from low back pathologies to cervical spine to foot, shoulder, hand.
By far, the players come in and ask for it. People are getting better from it, and it definitely stands alone in our athletic training room.
The LCT 1000 can have an immediate impact on your practice. The treatments can be done in the office by a technician. The deep tissue laser therapy can dramatically reduce the pain associated with low back pain, arthritic conditions, post-surgery recovery, headaches including migraines, sports injuries, and many more joint, muscle, circulatory, and inflammatory conditions.
And it's solving pain. I mean, it's solving a huge problem in the world. It's not aesthetic. It's not making people look better. It's making people feel better.
Even as a surgeon, I love doing surgery. If I can offer them something that is painless and non-invasive, I would much rather do that.
I would recommend the LightCure deep tissue laser to almost all clinicians because it allows us a modality that we don't have presently.
If I had tomorrow to choose only one thing that I could use, it would be the laser.
With the LCT 1000, patients will see quick results and faster treatments. You'll be able to provide improved outcomes with improved overall patient compliance. LightCure's deep tissue laser therapy, reducing pain, restoring function, and improving lives.
That's good. definitely much, much better.